Hello folks, welcome to another Yardie Belly TV tutorial. Today the wife is making a simple quinoa in a fried rice style. Alright, so this is not necessarily a vegan dish, but it is vegetarian. Alright, as a matter of fact, we're just wanting to show you how the staple looks to make the quinoa in the fried rice style. So we may be having it with meat, but that's beside the point. So the first thing we want to do is we want to start with some onions, and we're using red onions here, and we're just pretty much going to cut those onions up into small pieces, and and then we're going to also chop some garlic. All right. And this is just to start the sauteing process, because again, we're making our quinoa into a fried rice style. Yes, man. And trust me, it's gonna nice. So we want to get our vegetables in, and then the wifey is gonna cut a little piece of ginger. And again, we're doing this just to get our vegetables up and running. So once our vegetables are cut up, then we can get underway with doing this quinoa. All right, for this purpose we're going to use an egg. We're going to use a couple eggs actually, and as we said, this is not a vegan dish, it's a vegetarian dish. All right, so we wanted it to be as authentic to fried rice as possible, so the wife is using a couple of eggs. All right, and after she removed that eggshell that fell in it, whisk your eggs. And then we also pre-cooked some quinoa, and this is quinoa with black beans and sweet corn that was pre-cooked for a couple meals ago, and had it in the fridge, and that's what we're using. So the first thing you want to do is scramble your eggs. All right, and guys, you can do your eggs exactly how you want to. Soft scramble, hard scramble is all up to you. Once your eggs are done, you want to remove them from the heat, and then you're going to use the pan to saute your vegetables. We're also using coconut oil for this recipe, but you can use whatever oil you so choose. The coconut oil is so flavorful. We love it. It's our go-to oil, but you can use vegetable oils, or you can use any other oil of your choice. We're also adding some frozen sweet garden peas, and we picked this up in Aldi. Frozen peas are way more healthier than, say, canned peas. And so you want to use those as much as possible because of the flash freezing process by which they get the peas up and ready. All right. We're also using some carrots, and so it's going to be a very healthy version of the classic fried rice. Once our vegetables are sauteed nicely and the onions wilted, we want to add our quinoa. And again, guys, this is the leftover quinoa, just to be to be clear. And so you can use whatever quinoa you have. If you want to make fresh quinoa, if you wanted to use a mixture, it's fine. All right. So we're just adding some garlic powder and some Trader Joe's 21 season salute. Yeah, because you have to season up your quinoa. Make it taste nice. Yeah. We're using some Larry's seasoned salt, and you want to stir fry. And guys, you want to make sure this is properly incorporated. Yes, you don't want to bite into, anything, any one piece of vegetables. You want to make sure, say, every bite is coming up with the niceness, the onions, the this, the that, everything that's in it. You understand? And pretty much, guys, your quinoa is relatively done, you know. All you have to do is now season it to your particular taste. In this case, we're adding a little bit of oregano. It's not normal to the dish, but we want to add a little bit of oregano. The wife is also adding some oyster flavor sauce, and you can add regular soya sauce, but we choose oyster flavor sauce. And then you want to, just make your dish personalized. All right, so oyster sauce works for us, and that's what we're using. You also have vegan options of oyster sauce out there, oyster flavor sauce, and so you can also use that. The last thing we want to add is some sesame seed oil, and that is beautiful, as it give you that real Asian flavor with the nuttiness and that vibes. And trust me, guys, it works. All right, and be careful, do not add too much, because a little goes a long way as it remains, as it when it comes to that sesame seed oil. All right, and then the last thing you want to do is add your scrambled eggs just before you are ready to turn off your quinoa. All right, look at that, guys. It look good, don't? Trust me, nicely, nice, and tastes good, and way healthier than to eat a plate of rice. I promise you that, guys. And so here we are, we're ready to plate it. And guys, for this purpose, we're using some chicken wings with our quinoa fried rice. And chicken wings is usually our go-to chicken meat, because it is way less than eating a whole bunch of chicken. And so we use that ever so often in our midweek preparation. And then when you buy the chicken wings, for instance, from like Publix, you can buy it in a basic flavor and then style it up how you want. You can curry it, you can barbecue it, you can jerk it, you can do a whole lot of stuff with it. So we just use our chicken wings and just put some barbecue sauce on it, and that will go very well in creating a nice midweek dish and healthy dish. And yeah, Joshua love it, and so yeah, you can try that in your neck of the woods, trust me. And as usual, so the wife have to add our little greens to it and stuff, make it nice. So she got to add some broccoli spears to it as well. You look good, don't? Talk the truth. Would you try this in your neck of the woods? Would you consider making quinoa in a fried rice style? I think it's a great way to, enjoy a healthy version or a healthy substitute to rice, and of course, keep that flavor going. Look, the wife even pull it all the way now by adding some fried ripe plantain, which is her favorite, to the dish. If you didn't want to go with meat, you could just eliminate the chicken wings and just go with the fried rice and just add the plantains, and you get that little sweet element and the protein and everything. And so guys, this is a must try. I think you should try it. If you have never had quinoa before, I really recommend it. Try it in your neck of the woods. You can make it like rice and peas. You can make it like a salad. You can make it like a stir fry. You can do so much with it. It is very versatile. Once again, guys, remember, Yardie Belly TV is here with all the healthy food, everything. Remember to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend about Yardie Belly TV. And of course, as usual, continue to stick and stay. Don't go nowhere at all, because Yardie Belly TV is in your neck of the woods with some good food. We call this banger food. You understand? That's our quinoa fried rice version. I'm trying to find a good name. Fried rice style quinoa with some barbecue chicken wings and steamed broccoli and fried sweet plantain. It look good, don't? Yes, man. Yardie Belly TV giving you some good food. And remember, as usual, live and laugh, cook and eat. Yes, man. And guys, if you enjoy our videos, please share it on your social media. Please click the like button. Please subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. And we have more food just like this. We have vegan foods in our playlist. Check out the playlist and you will find awesome recipes. You'll find some great vlogs. We even have stand-up comedy that you can also enjoy. So once again, big up on yourself. Yardie Belly TV saying, have a great day, have a great year, and remember, live and laugh, cook and eat. Yardie Belly TV says so.